Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Kalpana Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SPC गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज अजमेर। बच्चों, आज के लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों को इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ माइक्रोबायोलॉजी बताने जा रही हूँ। सबसे पहले हम ये देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज माइक्रोबायोलॉजी। माइक्रोबायोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म or microbes, which is a term used to describe any living organism that is too small to be seen by naked eyes. Microorganisms include bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, and algae. The term microbiology was introduced by a French chemist, Louis Pasteur, who demonstrated fermentation was caused by the growth of bacteria and yeast. He is also known as father of microbiology. Microorganisms are present everywhere on earth, including human beings, plants, soil, water, food, and atmosphere. Microorganisms may be beneficial or harmful to human beings. Here in this chart, you can see the branches of microbiology. So, it is divided into two categories on the basis of application and on the basis of taxonomic characters. On the basis of application, the microbiology branches are air microbiology, water microbiology, sewage microbiology, soil microbiology, food microbiology, milk microbiology, industrial microbiology, medical microbiology, geomicrobiology, and biotechnology. On the basis of taxonomic characters, the microbiology branches are divided into bacteriology, mycology, phycology, parasitology, immunology, and virology. In this picture, you can see the microbiology, which includes bacteria, protozoa, viruses, fungi, and algae. In this slide, you can see the basic structure and functional unit of life, that is cell. A cell is divided into prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. The bacteria are prokaryotic, whereas algae, fungi, protozoa, plant and animals are eukaryotic. Their size also varies. Prokaryotic cell, bacterial cell is 1 to 4 mu m, and eukaryotic cell is 5 mu m. Nucleus in the prokaryotic cell, the nuclear membrane absent and the nucleus is also absent. In eukaryotic cell, nucleus is bounded by a definite nuclear membrane and nucleolus is also present. Cell wall in bacteria is made up of peptidoglycans, whereas an eukaryote is made up of peptidoglycan absent. Plasma membrane in prokaryotic cell is steroid absent, cytoplasmic streaming absent, whereas in eukaryotic cell, sterols present and cytoplasmic streaming present. Membrane enclosed organelles. In prokaryotic cell, the organelles does not have any membrane, whereas in eukaryotic cell, the organelles have certain membrane. Ribosome is of 70 S unit in prokaryotic, where in eukaryotic cell, it is of 80 S units. Characteristics of major groups of microorganisms. Bacteria, size 0.2 to 1.5 by 3 to 5 mu m. Prokaryotic unicellular, simple internal structure, grow on artificial laboratory media, and reproduction asexual. The practical significance of bacteria: some causes diseases, some perform role in natural cycling of elements and increase soil fertility and manufacturing of valuable compounds in industry. Here in this picture, you can see various type of forms of bacteria: Bacillus, Coccus, Spirillum, Spirococulum, Vibrio, chain of cords, and like that. Viruses. The size ranges from 0.015 to 0.2 mu. Do not grow on artificial media. They require living cells within which they can reproduce, and they are obligate parasites. Electron microscopy requires to observe. We cannot observe them without microscope. Electron microscope. Practical significance of bacteria is that they causes disease in humans and animals and plants. Also infect microorganisms. These are some of the bacterias. Now we come to fungi or yeast. The size of the fungi varies from 5.0 to 10.0 μm. Eukaryotic and unicellular. They grow on artificial laboratory media, reproduce asexually, cell division, budding, or sexually. Their practical significance is that some causes diseases, some are used as food supplement, and manufacturing of alcoholic beverages. Now we come to fungi or molds. The size of the fungi ranges between 2.0 to 10.0 μm. They are eukaryotic cells, multicellular, many distinctive structure features, cultivated on artificial laboratory media, reproduction asexual or sexual, and their practical significance is that they help in decomposition of many materials, industrial production of many chemicals like antibiotics, and they can cause diseases. In this picture, you can see various type of fungi. Now we come to protozoa. Size ranges from 2.0 to 200 μm. They are eukaryotic cells. They are unicellular. Some gets cultivated on laboratory media, while some are intracellular parasites. Reproduction asexual or sexual. Their practical significance is that some causes diseases and some are food for aquatic animals. Here are some protozoans like amoeba, plasmodium, vorticella, etc. The algae. Algae size ranges between 1.0 μm to several centimeters. They are eukaryotic, unicellular or multicellular, photosynthetic. Most occur in aquatic environments, and reproduction is by both the means asexual as well as sexual. Practical significance. The practical significance of algae is in the production of food in aquatic environments, sources of food in pharmaceuticals. Some produces toxic substance. Here are some photographs of the algae. Thank you.